In this video, I'll guide you through how to add LinkedIn to your Gmail signature. Having a LinkedIn link in your email signature can be a great way to enhance your professional presence and make it easy for your contacts to connect with you on a professional level. Let's get started with this simple process. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. This is where we'll begin setting up your signature to include LinkedIn. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to the settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Gmail experience. Click on the gear icon, which will open a small drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select See All Settings. This option will take you to the full settings menu, where you have access to all the customization options that Gmail offers. This is where we'll make the changes needed to add LinkedIn to your signature. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll need to find the signature section. It's usually located under the general tab, so scroll down until you spot it. If you've never set up a signature before, this is where you'll start. Once you find the signature section, click on Create New. This button allows you to set up a new email signature from scratch. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your new signature. Give it a name that makes sense to you, perhaps something like professional or with LinkedIn, and then click Create. Now that you have a new signature created, the next step is to insert the LinkedIn logo. This is a great way to visually enhance your signature and make the LinkedIn link stand out. You can download a LinkedIn logo from the internet and upload it into your signature area. Simply click on the Insert Image icon and select the LinkedIn logo from your files. With the logo in place, the next step is to make it functional by adding a hyperlink. Click on the LinkedIn logo you just inserted, then click on the Insert Link icon, which looks like a chain link. This will open a dialog box where you can enter the URL. In the URL field, enter your personal LinkedIn profile link. Make sure you double check the link to ensure it directs correctly to your LinkedIn page. Once you've entered the URL, click Apply to save the link to the logo. And there you have it. Your Gmail signature now includes a clickable LinkedIn logo that directs recipients to your professional profile. This little addition can make a big difference in how you're perceived professionally and can help grow your network. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.